Yo, E, man, you ain't here early today, man.
Why every time I come in the kitchen, you in the kitchen?
Yo, your Valentine left early last night. She was left early, goddamn, man.
Yeah, I know Valentine, man.
I know you the first one in here, man. I said, damn,
Look at it, man. Look at it.
you enjoy, hey, yo, Junior, man.
Yo,
What time your Valentine leave, man?
man, we closed the doors late. I was at work.
Your Valentine left early, man. You was in here early this morning, man.
Hey, you the one up early, mighty sprightly. What's
Shit.
up with you? You used to sound rejuvenated. Hey, you might as well click your heels together, man.
The club was jumping last night, Junior.
It was decent.
People you know with new potentials.
Nah. It was regulars.
Did they bring their regulars?
Yeah,
So that means that today they're gonna bring somebody else then.
probably, but we're not open today.
I got you.
Mhm.
Let's get this party started.
Man, you might as well before you come off the screen, man. Just go ahead and throw your film on there. Grade that
Right,
wick.
grade that,
Grade
man.
that wick, man.
Grade that. Oh, grade the wick.
Yeah, grade the wick.
But also grade looking at we can get doing a lot. Like weekly bullish.
Yeah,
With
she done went down into that
right. All
and
these
then came
guys.
out with two back-to-back weeks of higher counter close higher, open and close higher.
Right.
Mhm. Yeah.
Like from a 4 hour perspective, basically right now. We in as you would say, area two. And also you're probably looking at 70 probably line up with this gap
Right
up.
over that gap. Hmm.
Yeah. But right now you're in a phone booth, back and forth.
Yeah, but you got a gap right there too, though. Just formed the gap.
Yep.
That's a gap right there, right?
Yep.
Hmm.
That's my favorite time to move right there. High, low, retrace, fail. Usually like to get to be down here. And then it's the target here, here, and up here. From a 1 hour perspective.
Let's see for this to hit this right here. This counter right there. Let's see. Oh, there you go. This counter right. Or
Mhm.
the down close counter. It hit that OB.
Yeah,
And then it turned right around and coming right back up.
right.
So what that tell you? That tell you it's bullish. Yeah. She going right back up in there. Because that normally would have smacked it. But it didn't smack it.
My move, high, low, retracing to a sibby, wicked above, down to the gap. She dug deep.
Which one you would have considered the shift? I
Oh,
was down right. I would took
yeah.
this.
Nah. Yeah,
That shit went into a semi.
yeah, but I'm looking at
Yeah, but you can't be calling now. Hold on now.
uh this is the shift. High, low,
That's a shift too.
retrace. Failed.
I see this is a shift.
Where did it fall from? It fell from here.
That's all right. I mean, I get that too, but it came back.
Shit. Okay, then you look at that, then you can say this is a shift.
Well, you
Down here.
can. Yeah, you can do that too. Hey, I would rather do that one.
Right.
Right at the
And then
bottom.
target this and then target here.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
right here you got
As a
your
matter of fact,
ABC.
that's the main one. That's the first
Right.
one. Because you got this one and then this challenge that.
Right.
And then you got it went right up over that intermediate swing, left a gap, came right back to it. That's the A plus now. Right back. Come right back.
Right back. See, but here you got the ABC. You got A, B, C up here. Come all the way back.
Yeah, well, you got no with this A. I hit the bottom.
Right. B.
B. And
Yeah, you
then
see
let's
here.
see
Yeah,
right there. Yeah.
it's right there.
Yeah.
And then it came back and it played in your face. Went up, failed.
Hit
Look,
OB. You want to hit
right.
OB?
And then go.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I definitely would have took this for sure.
You get 0.5?
Damn no.
Down there. Damn.
You'd have walked away. You guys, you would have made it.
Right. That would have made it. But you were looking at this. This was a Thursday night. Truth.
Oh yeah, that's midnight. What midnight this was?
Oh no, that's Asian Open.
Oh, Asian. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Red is Asian, blue is midnight.
Oh, okay. I see what you're saying. You can't change the label on it.
Nah, I wish I could. Yeah, but gold looks bullish right now, even from a daily perspective. See, and the good thing about gold, Friday was inside day.
Oh, it didn't break the either side. Oh no.
Oh, so Monday or Tuesday gonna be outside day.
I'm expecting higher prices. I don't know how high, but higher. That's right now. It's going up.
Yeah, and if it start moving, man, we could take out all this. Take out all this. Let's go. Let's look at the other one, silver. Weekly. Silver had an inside week. My only thing is this ain't
Them
nothing.
opposites. Them opposites don't. Oh shit. Well, 2 weeks prior on the gold was
Hold on.
bullish.
Right, yeah. From that perspective, but
Two bulls. Kells, you got two bears.
yeah,
One.
and last week gold took out previous week high.
Right.
Silver The silver didn't take out nothing. And then this candle don't mean nothing. Ain't no data in here.
I know what it means. Mean the momentum to go lower is slowing up. That's what
Right.
that's
Right.
what that means.
I like from a daily. See, and then silver took out previous day low Friday. Gold did. Mm.
Well, they ain't on the same page right now.
Nope. Because if I'm looking at this, high, low, retrace, lower. This is the intermediate high right here.
Yeah, shift up there.
Right. Yeah, this my daily shift right here. It needs to take out this candle right here.
Yeah.
I know he probably looking at it from this perspective too. High, low, retrace, lower, retrace. He probably looking at this as his shift.
Well, I see a low, lower, low gap.
Right. Right here.
But yeah, there's no shift. So if it explodes up, it'll take you to the shift.
Right. And then you're looking at this his shift here, and then it can take out. I be looking up here, this then walk up here. High, low, retrace, lower, retrace, failed. Where's the swing? Where's the short term high? This is it right here. Would love her to get something like
Explosion up. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. That's what I'm thinking.
closing up right,
Mm-hmm.
and then give a nice gap.
Yeah, and then come back into that.
Right. And then take out all this. My opinion, I need more data because it can fail right here and keep going lower.
Yeah. Or it can go up. It can go up and then fail. But
Yeah, because
I
now
mean,
you
it can
got
go
a
up.
daily gap. You got a daily gap right here now.
Right. We can go. You can do. Hey, you'll know by morning.
Right. It's path.
You'll know by morning. That's why I don't, that's why I don't too much mess with London though. I mean, Asia.
Yeah, because it can do this, and then it can fall. It can run this enemy low, then come back up to go higher. Could do that. But now you're in a decision point now. Because the weekly don't tell you nothing. Weekly tell you nothing. There's nothing in this candle. Daily, if you look at daily, it looks more bearish than bullish. Because you got more bearish PDA rates that need to come up to. Got this daily gap here. Because if you're looking at it bullish, it shouldn't look how it closed in this daily gap with this wick. I mean with this full body. That should have happened. To me, that looks lower than higher. I'll say you need a shift above here to be looking up.
Yeah, but you got. I don't know if ABC applied to this, but
You said what?
I don't think ABC applied to this scenario. But
No.
because what I do see, like the three counters.
I you talking about up here.
No, right here, right down.
Uh,
This one, this one, this one.
right. But shit, this shouldn't have happened.
Right. Well, you got to come into it.
But yeah, that came into it and closed it way below. Like if you said, okay, this is the gap. You close down there way below it. You shouldn't do that at all.
Running the field on that.
Going up.
Just on that, them two swings right there.
I got you.
I want to see something.
Yeah, 50.
I mean, that's discount.
Yeah, discount. But for me to be looking bullish, I need
Yeah,
it.
yeah. She got to come up over with that right there.
Yeah,
Of
yeah.
course. I just don't. Mm.
See,
I
then
wait until it make his decision. I ain't gonna make a decision for it. I'm gonna let it make the decision.
right. Like you said, that's the big one thing about life, man. Just let it do what it do. You wake up tomorrow and see where it's at. You need to make a decision.
Got the landscape in the morning.
Right. Why weekly. Okay. Retrace from all-time highs last week. Okay. Still bullish on a daily. But the flip, you need a wick below here. Still bullish. You got daily gap. We made Friday. How do I like Friday? Oh, that's pretty good low. Shit, it's way below previous level. Jeez. Higher time frame still says up. To even be looking lower, you need a you want to wick below here. How looking at 4 hour?
You still want that lower gap.
Yeah. Yeah, you want that.
See, look,
Lock all the doors, man.
you just want to dip down in there.
Yep. Throw a wick down here. And I almost did it here.
Yep, ain't real close.
Yep, throw a wick down there. Yeah. Probably come over to the daily gap, then see. because it's still bullish overall higher time frame.
I think
And
it's
that's
gonna push down into it
yeah.
off top.
S- Say it again.
I think it's gonna push down into it off top.
Yeah. Just looking at how this kind of felt
Mm-hmm.
before,
Yeah, so it's gonna come on down and go below that wick and hit that gap.
because this even had enough liquidity to even get up into this 4 hour gap at all.
Mm.
I look from a 1 hour, people say. Nope. So like yeah, I think why I want to come down lower before going higher, but I would if we're going higher time frame, we're gonna sell off, I would need a wick below here. Then we can
Right.
target all this.
A full shift. Right.
Yeah, for sure. Because if you look at it, this is the weekly.
The Dow is at 50,000.
All right. We've been taking the stairs up.
Let's
You
talk
know
about
how
the Dow.
and if you look at if you look at this from a weekly perspective, this is high resistance going up. Every gap getting filled. Up, down, consolidate up.
That's a
Look at this.
nasty ride on the Dow.
Yeah, nasty as hell.
I mean, it's gradually going up, but damn.
But yeah, taking the stairs. Let's look at grandma. Oh, inside week. Hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Interesting. Inside week.
Leaning like it want to go down.
Right.
All that selling pressure.
Right.
Want to control.
You got bank holiday tomorrow. You got
So
CPI.
you say bank holiday tomorrow? Oh, that's right, presidents. So is market open at all? Or is it
Yeah. Yeah.
modified? Condensed?
Yeah. Close at 12.
Okay.
A little bit of news Tuesday. You got no, it's Canadian news. Wednesday, they got the minutes. Thursday unemployment and Friday PMI. Friday gonna be hot all day from shit 2 a.m. Yeah. Man, we've been in the same range since October, man. Jeez.
Accumulation.
All right, accumulation. Right. Next is
Somebody
manipulation.
manipulates somewhere.
Something right, man. Jeez.
Which one you gonna get? Up or down?
Uh, it looked lower to me. Look lower.
Feel the same way.
It looked lower.
Like she want to try to. It look like this might be in her crosshairs.
All right, because and he already been down there.
When you feel on that?
Yeah, I was about to do that.
No, no, on that whole range. Yeah.
I'm looking at this. Let's see where you get me. Yeah,
Well, I put you down here.
yeah.
I'm looking at all right. If it come down and hit that, yeah, what?
Yeah.
Keep reaching down there, reaching. It ain't
Reaching,
reaching up.
reaching. All right. We didn't dug all into this candle right here. You're like, okay, maybe it's gonna keep it up. Jeez. Sheesh. You got daily gap, inside week.
Push up, come back down.
It's also gonna tell like this daily gap, depending on how far they want to come. Because if they don't come 50% of this and they just start selling off, yeah, it's coming all the way down here, here. Because this ain't good to trade in right now, man. It's like, okay, we took out all-time highs here, took out again, high, higher, high,
You got a mark structure.
right here. But the thing about Marshall showed it was no gap to come back up to where it failed. It like, okay, where you come back up to? Because this is like a phone booth. Look at this high, higher high, shift here. Where's the gap? There's no gaps.
Yeah, and then it could just do
Congestion as hell.
and then come down.
Right.
Hit
Look,
down like that. Maybe target this.
wait.
But you can't be like, oh, it's just gonna skip. It's like hitting every PD array, bro.
Every fucking PD array, man.
It's not showing any interest to go up as of yet.
It's the 4 hour. Come over here, hit this PD array. Shut down. Hit this PD array. High, low,
They went into the
retrade.
lowest gap on,
No,
on there.
no, it ain't touch it.
Hmm?
Mm-mm.
And I
Ain't touch
said
it.
went into the lowest gap. I don't know if you was bullet.
Oh, you're right here. Yeah. If
Okay.
that's the case, then you want you want to see at least come inside this semi.
Right. To push it back down. You
Fail.
didn't make it.
Right. Then yeah. Then shift. Yeah. True. It's not ideal, in my opinion. Like you can make money in it all day long, E, but man, the
Yeah.
runs is like it
You
take
got,
it
you got
take
to
you
go to
through
PD
that.
array to PD array.
Right, you gotta go PDRA, PDRA.
And damn, if you were trying to hit that 4 hour gap, boy, you ain't make it.
Never would have made it. Right, and then she dropped all the way back down on your
Right.
ass.
That's the work.
Look at, Quisha. Another one. It's weak.
Yeah, that don't bode well for me.
Nope.
Not to the upside.
Yeah, don't look good. Yeah, it don't look bullish at all. Don't look bullish at all for me. And y'all know I don't even like doing one direction. This don't look up at all. Because when we made this candle last Friday, and we started pushing on Monday, we got into that daily BI,
Yep.
and we couldn't get no movement.
Went all the way up here. Okay, all the way down. Past this.
Yep.
Then you retrace. And now here you like you headed back down.
Yeah, down here.
Yeah.
For me, see, if you're looking up, man, I need a. This is for me. This is a high and low retrace fail so far. And it needs to daily bullish. It got to come for this week. We we got to wake up about 25 462 for me to be looking up. Like right now, I'm looking here, here, and here right now. Yeah, for me to be daily bullish, looking up, because right now I'm daily bearish, looking lower. Previous week low, this previous week low, and this one. These to me are relative, as ICT would say, these are relative equal lows.
Right. Relatively low.
Yeah, this should yeah.
And the squeeze chart. Let's see what's to the left. Right there.
Yeah.
This said something right here when it did this. What took out all that and shifted
Right.
and then retrace and won't come back down.
Right. Because you know me, when I look at this, I want to see, okay, I'm cool with this. High, low, when you couldn't keep on going, and like, you getting stuck. And then this candle right here, mm. Because right now, for me to be daily bullish, I need a wick above this candle.
Mm-hmm.
I get that, then I'm looking up here, here, and here. Besides that, this thing go right out here. She the only one that came inside that far, yeah, too, NQ. And what happened? Sold off, then I had to, I'm over half the handle.
All right.
Like if I'm using this 4 hour and I'm looking at it, okay, got a high, low, a retrace.
Shift back, yeah, it's another shift back down to the downside.
Right.
It hit the
Only
first
way I'm
gap,
looking up is I need a wick above here.
right? I mean, it took the energy out of here already.
Right. Send it up inside this gap.
Up and down, and now it's pushing down hard
Right.
on the next candle. Yeah, I would be more inclined to go down.
Right. As E would say, this is a boy's mitigation. High, low, retrace, fail, wick above here in the gap. That's to go higher. But if it failed, it can go here, here, and down here right now. And if you're looking for it to fail, you probably want to come up to this last gap up here and then shift. So if it shift up here, it's coming all the way down. Because ask yourself, on this 4 hour, it give you no chance to sell it down. This ain't no discount right here.
Hmm?
You said it again?
What you said?
And then you know choice on this 4 hour, sell it
What's
down.
that? What's the field on? Let's see.
I got
Yeah, I think it's just short of 50%. Move down.
you.
Oh no, bro. Might have to get close on that one.
Whew.
They might have just did hit it.
Just did it, baby.
That's when you have to get surgical on that one. See if it actually went 50% instead of eyeballing it.
What it mess about 25,000? What it mess about 6
You know,
points?
you gonna have to put on what you call it. You might be off. See, your top one look like it might be off too. See, you got to get surgical with that thing, Jake. You just find a number and put it on there.
Where we at? 24,999. Where we at? 4 points. 3.5 points. Okay.
See, that's off too. I won't say you got to look up to the top. You got can't eyeball that.
Where
You
we
got
at
to look
now?
at the numbers.
Okay. We about 3 points off. That's close enough for government work. That's close enough for government work.
The gap right there, the gap come first before the 50%.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good enough for me.
Good enough. Now, either one or two things you want to happen. You want it to run if you're in it, you want it to run this low, and then you can be looking to go lower. Or it could fail here, and if you get a wick above here, that's a shift. And you get a gap, then we can go up here and here.
It go up down here.
Yeah, you know how to go. It'd be perfect. Open up down there. But yeah, I'm looking lower for higher. We fell it. Gave that huge candle the 6th of Friday. Then that Monday we pushed up into that daily VI and we failed. Just sat there. Tuesday, Wednesday. Yeah. For me to like I say, for me to be higher time frame bullish and looking higher, I need a wick above here. Give me a wick at 25, 4, 72.50. Then I can be looking every day to go up. Besides that, stay coming down. Would you agree, E?
Yeah, I'm not even looking up there. I'll
Right.
be honest with you. I'm like, I don't think you're gonna make it.
Uh-huh.
Like, nah, I'm just saying this. Like, this is a staunch shift to the downside to
Yep.
be. She came all the way up here just to get in this damn gap,
All right.
and then it's the reaction you get after that. You know what I mean? Like,
Nothing bullish after that.
right. But again, we'll see in the morning.
We'll see you in the morning. Hey. We can speculate all you want at 11 o'clock Sunday morning. When we get up at 6, 7 o'clock in the morning, it can
If
look
we
completely different.
if we're bearish, then this should get respected, right? That that gap over
Yep.
there, that should get respected. It shouldn't get violated. This one, my shit ain't working.
Yep. hmm It should come in there and
But
leave a wick.
it didn't come down.
Yep. hmm But like we say, but if we start closing on daily and start pushing up higher, and we get a wick above here, then we can look.
Then you can say, yeah, that's true.
And then if you look at it from like if we say like a weekly profile, and like let's just say we start out tomorrow in the what's that say on a weekly candle, and we give you a push up in here, wait, and then you get a push lower.
Open high, low close.
Right, Tuesday, take out this wick, and then Wednesday give you this. Then you can be looking up here because then you be looking at open, low, high, and close.
Right.
Because right now you're looking at bearish, you're looking at open, push
High,
up,
low,
push all the way down, and
and then
close somewhere right here.
right. Or she get real loose. You go down.
Oh, uh, open, low, and close. Give you some shit like that.
Yeah.
We didn't see that before too. That's the good thing about just like having your head on a swivel, man. Just waiting.
Yeah, open high, hit the one out of the daily gap, and look for a down move from there. Or she just going low.
Because also, if it's weak, it's gonna happen above 50% of. It won't even take out previous day high because yeah, you'll be like if you heavily bearish, you want to see it react above 50% of the range, which would be that's where you want to see it fail in this area. That's where you want to see in Q fail. Give you some kind of A+ setup right there from a 5 minute, 15 minute perspective. Then still taking and then fail all the way down here and here.
Yeah, I just want to go up in that daily gap.
See, I
Push
wouldn't
back
even want
to the
that.
daily, then fail.
Show me, hey, because if it don't
You'll
make
probably
there to
get that
start,
overnight action. You
right?
get
But
overnight action. You
let's
know,
say it start filling, it don't make it up there and it start filling. That means we have it heavily bearish and we going lower. And hey, I ain't got a problem with that.
ain't got a problem with you. Like I said, when I open my eyes in the morning, I know.
Right.
Unless she stay right where the hell she at. Don't touch
Shit.
either one of them.
Don't touch nothing. Let's look at it from a 15-minute perspective. Like, where could it fail? See, this the only thing. Like, this is where we at now. It's in that range. Like, no, gap on this 15-minute with the falling. Look at high, low, retrace. I see it go lower. I look from a 5-minute perspective. Anything on a five? Nothing. Nope. This is what? Jagged as hell.
Easy to run through.
Easy to run through. Easy to run through. And like I say, we can run through that shit in Asian
Right
session.
at the opening. You see,
Right.
might open up now.
Yep. You're right.
Your gap. Then it can open up down here. Then work its way back up. Let's see. It'll open up down here. Yeah. Work its way back up. Then hit that gap. Then come back down. See, they can do all kinds. They can do whatever.
You do that right.
We just know how to play it.
It can play in your face too.
Right. I just like to see what the playing field is, and then the overall outline of things, and then once we get towards the time I want to trade, then I start getting more specific.
Right.
Right now, I'm more general.
Hey, say sit on your hands until it's time. All right. Sorry. Any questions before we got here? Hey, you in town this week?
Nope.
Where you at?
Well, all I'm at.
Huh?
I gotta go to Pensacola,
Florida, back pay?
Louisville, Kentucky, Raleigh, North Carolina, back to Pensacola, Birmingham, Alabama, and then Tampa.
Birmingham, Alabama.
I'm all over the place this week.
I got a question.
What's up, Junior?
When you go to back testing, is it better to use something that you don't normally look at because you don't know because you haven't been watching the price action, or does that matter?
Are you a patterns trader, momentum trader? What kind of trader are you?
I'm looking for my setup.
So you're a pattern trader. You look at anything there.
Okay.
About March the 13th, 1994.
Right. And the good thing about trading view, like you can all you gotta do is change the last digit, and they give you data. This is from COVID 2020. So Junior, what's your setup? What's your higher time frame?
What do you mean?
Daily, 15 minute. 4 hour. What do you use for your bias?
Daily.
Gotcha. Okay, let's go 2021. Okay. So if you were looking at this, Junior, and you were looking at the daily, and we right here, you would have said that we broke the structure on this kind of right.
Right.
So every day after that is bearish, correct?
Yeah.
Okay. And this kind of didn't go. This kind of went up into the gap, but that's before. Then this confirmed the swing. This candle. So you probably looking lower this day, and this day gave you that. Took out this swing here. You probably wouldn't be looking bullish until you get a wick above which candle, Junior.
Look bullish.
Yep,
For me, if I was looking at that, it would be the second green candle to the right.
right
That
here.
one. Yep.
Okay. I wouldn't have been looking bullish until so I've been looking at this high low retrace into this SIBI failed. I've probably been looking bullish here. Yeah, you're right. Yeah, right there. But they're really automatically gonna as soon as you
I
get
would
it
say
above here.
really you should be up there, yeah, because you
Yeah,
didn't really get a failed until
right.
the last candle.
See, and then Junior, also I like it when it fails and it comes back to the area consolidation, basically.
Right.
That's me personally. Like I like when it gets high, low, retrace, and it fails and give you some inside this area. Then whatever candle ran that'd be my short term high that I usually look at.
Right.
So I got a question.
What's
With
up?
the same logic, would you look to say to the downside that candle that went into this busy right here? I can't. If for some reason it ain't working for me.
I got you. You talking about
Left,
this
left,
right here?
left, 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 left on the other side of it.
Uh,
There, to the right. That weight right there.
this right here.
Yeah. So that went into the busy, right?
Okay,
And then you came this long bears candle came and closed
right here.
over that, right? And then
Okay.
it retraced up into that gap,
Oh,
right? With the
oh,
wick.
I don't know about you talking about okay, you got this gap right here, this long candle here, send price back up into this SIBI.
Right into that, yeah.
Right.
That's
Okay.
what sent it back down.
Right.
Mhm.
That's the last
That's your
gap.
that's your ABC gap too.
Yeah, that's the last gap, and this candle get you a wick into it. This candle went up into it, and it failed,
And then you show your ABC on the bearish candles.
and it shifted lower. And the thing is, it showed you it wanted to get there fast because it didn't even have enough
Yeah,
energy
it's
to
just
get back into the
fast.
gap.
As soon as
Start
it
coming.
went in there.
Right. Hey, yo,
Don't
Junior, does that make sense, Junior?
Yeah. Um, I don't think I would have trusted that though until it broke structure because that long wick didn't break structure to the left.
it may not have, but it broke it this right. That busy. If you flip it upside, flip it.
Flip it. I got
Yeah,
you.
flip it. So let's see.
You got high, low, retrace into here. wicked above here, but there's no gap down here. This short-term high, wicked above here, gave you the gap.
Yeah, because you need the one the up close candle went into. Well, no, we flipped it, so it's different. But yeah, I would use that one as the one that I would trust. It got over it, and
Right
then
here.
got a three candle pattern. Right, yeah, right there. I would use that one.
And you got this, yeah.
Then you got ABC.
And then it came back to over here.
Came back right in there. Because that's the candle that, I mean, it broke market structure shift or structure during the market structure shift to meet.
Miss O said there's a higher gap. Yeah, this one right here.
And it never took that swing up
Up
top.
here.
It didn't take it.
I'll tell you.
I mean, but that's
So
a hell
you
of
so you're using one of the intermediates as a as a shift?
Yeah. Yeah, yeah. You got that gap there, but ain't no gaps here. Shit. Uh see, ain't no gaps here for it to come back to. So yeah, you're right. Yeah, it's a gap here. This short-term high took it here, but it come back. There's nothing to gap to come back to. It wasn't until it took out this short-term high, then it gave you a gap here.
So you're using that short term high to the left as your
Correct.
okay as a shift, and
Because
then
yeah, because okay, if you say this is the shift, where's the gap for it to come back to go higher?
right,
Because it could take out this short-term high and then run this.
right, give you a
That's how
lower
I,
low.
yeah, that's how I personally look at it. Because like right now, I'm looking at it, okay, you got high, low, retrace, okay, into the gap, but there's nothing to key off of right here to go higher.
Right.
It wasn't until you got candle A, B, C, you got a gap here.
She
Came into on this candle
touching the left.
and gone. Take out this short term high.
Right. All right.
Like
So you're saying just pick a random year and then go from there.
right, yeah, and also really be solid in your pattern that you like to see.
Right.
Like as he would tell me like boy like mitigation because like I like for it to fail and then show me without running and I will take the entry as long as it doesn't take out the higher time frame liquidity.
swing.
So,
Right.
so this is a daily. So as long as it doesn't run this short term high here, I'm in there. And if it runs that, I'm not
You don't want it, right?
I don't want it.
Okay.
That's like if I find my ABC on a 5 minute. As long as it doesn't run that 5 minute high, I'm cool. 15 minute. As long as I run that 15 minute high, I'm cool. If it runs that, then I'll just wait.
Okay.
Does that make sense, Drew?
Yeah.
I got you.
Flip it back before you forget.
Right. It's 2021. Let's see, got 2022. Let's look at
No, you see that one.
yeah,
That one's clean. That one's bright as day.
this one right here. This one failed to run this high. But yeah,
I
I
don't like
love this one.
I don't like that. I like this one.
Say the one
On
on
the right.
top.
I'm talking about this one right here.
I'm talking
Into the
about
city, into the gap. It just didn't run this high. And then I like this one down here at the bottom. high, low, retrace into the SIBI. No gap here. Lower, like this right here. Yeah. Yeah, low, lower, low. Yep. Take out all this. Yep. But also, if you look at it from this perspective too, low, high, lower, low, came back into the gap.
That's what I was looking at.
Because if I flip that, it's the same way. That's 50%. Mm. Jeez. 0.5? Jeez. Hey, Johnny, do you also see this right here? You have the low, high, retrace, fail, and then you look at it. This is how I look at it. High, low, retrace, wick above here, gap here.
Right, yeah.
Yeah, should go here. The W won't trouble you. About 1,000. Sheesh. Hey, Jay, do you see it here also? There's no gap. Never mind. Never mind. It was a gap in here. Then you got from here to here, came back to it here, and ran the highs. You got a gap in the VI. You got to include the VI because it'll come back there a lot and leave your ass.
What were you saying? There was no gap on the left?
Yeah, ain't no gap here. Where the key off of?
Okay.
Any more questions before we got here? And on that.